Yes, hello Mo, this is Ray, and in this video I'll be going over your new website with you. Please watch this video all the way through. It's very important. I go over some of the features of your website, and I may also answer a lot of your questions in these videos. Now, this is your new website. You'll notice that I have three versions of your website. This is version 1, which is current, and then we have version 2, and we have version 3. Now, all of the features and how everything operates is the same. The only difference is that each version has a slightly different layout, and I want you to decide which one you like. I wanted to give you a choice. I frankly couldn't decide which one looked better because I like all three of them, but I'll let you decide which one you prefer. Now, this is your current website. This is where I took all the content from. So you can easily add more content to your websites. Very, very easy to add content to your website. There's an easy to use platform that you log into, and you can pull up any of the pages. You can add products very easily. I usually only add 10 products on e-commerce websites, and then my customers can add the rest. But I added about 40 products for you, spread out through various categories. Now, you had literally hundreds of products here on your current website, so obviously I can't transfer all of them over for the low price that I do website development, but I did transfer over 40 of your products spread out over these categories, and you can very quickly add the rest of your products. Matter of fact, it only takes me about a minute to add a product from start to finish. It's very, very simple to do. I believe I provided you example tutorials on how that works, and I will create tutorials for you as well that show you step by step not only how to add products to your website, but how to add pages, how to change any of the content. If you don't like something that I've put on your website as far as wording, you can very easily change it yourself. Just keep that in mind. I will provide tutorials on how that works. Very simple. And also I want to show you quickly, this is version 2 of your website. Again, how everything works is the same, the only difference is the layout. And then we also have version 3. Again, just slight differences in the layout and the colors, but everything else is the same. So just tell me which one you like. Let's go ahead and go back to version 1. And I just want to show you, this is the home page. When you land on the home page, you're going to have your main categories. You're going to have 8 main categories. Now, obviously, you have more products and categories than these 8. However, being a furniture store, there are certain things that people will look for most of all, your main categories. As I did my research looking at other furniture stores as well, these happen to be the main categories that they feature on their website as far as their catalog. And then you do have the rest of your categories, all of your categories that you can have underneath your shop menu. So the idea on the home page is not to list every single category here as thumbnails, but the 8 main categories of what you offer. And then of course all of the other smaller categories are here. And then when you scroll down, also, living room sets are very popular, so I have a big picture of a living room set with a link that when you click on will take you to living rooms. We also have your Google map here. I didn't have a picture of your showroom, so I just grabbed a generic picture of a furniture showroom, and I'm using that. If you have a picture of your showroom, please do provide it. I'll be happy to change this, or you can change it anytime yourself down the road. We have your social links here. I do need your Facebook, Google, and Twitter links if you have them. If you only have Facebook and Google, that's fine. Or if you have LinkedIn or any other networks that I'm missing, just send me the links and I'll be glad to update them. Also, we have your phone number. And again, we end with your logo, address, and phone number. So it's a very, very clean, eye-appealing layout. Everything looks nice and uniform. Now, if we come here to the About Us page, I just want to show you it is a simple About Us page. Some content that I put together for you. You can very easily change the content on this page, again, if you don't like it. But it's something that is very basic, tells a little bit of information about Urban Furniture, and then again we have links to your main categories here. We also have a contact us page. Contact us page is basically just a simple form if people have any questions about your furniture. Specifically, they can email you. If they have any questions about your business, they can also email you as well. And then we go into the My Account. If a customer has ever made an order anytime at all, they can click here, they can log into their account and pull up all of their information. You also have a back panel, a store management area, where you also can review all of your information no matter how long in the past it is, pull up any customer records, things of that nature. Now, I want to quickly just go over the process with you of the shopping cart. So if we come here to, let's say, TV consoles, I just want to show you how the shopping cart works. You'll notice here we have a shopping cart icon that shows you what's in your cart at all times. That's the same with all of the layouts. So you can see all the features are exactly the same. Now let's go ahead and we'll look at one of these items. We'll look at this one right here. Now again, all of these I took from your current website. Now if we look at an item, you're going to see that you can look at the item, you can share it. So if I want to post this to my Facebook page, I can. You can see related items. So if you're looking at one item here, you can see a related item as well. We also have a section for people to see reviews. So if I bought this item, I can leave a review of this item. Now, reviews don't go public until you, as the owner, approve the comment, approve the review. So that's the safety net that I put in for you. And we have related items here. You can select certain items to be featured. So as you're adding items to your website, if you want to put any items to be featured, you can put a featured banner on those items. You can also put items on sale, and I'm going to show you in tutorials how that works. It's a very cool feature. Basically, when you're adding a product, you can put a regular price and a sale price, and it'll show a sale banner here, and it'll also show people what the sale price and regular price is. Now the neat thing is you can set that on schedule. So when you add a product, you can actually say, I want it to be on sale for between this date and this date. So you can actually put an item on sale for a certain date range, and the website, as soon as it hits that date, it will revert back to the regular price. So you never have to remember to go back and remove the sale price. So you can put an item on sale for 7 days, and on the 8th day it'll automatically revert back to the regular price. So I just wanted to show you that. Very cool feature. Makes it easy to manage your website and to put items on sale. Now let's go ahead and we'll add this item to cart. So you'll see we'll click here, add to cart, and you'll notice that once we add to cart, you have an update here. So let's go ahead and let's also add this to cart as well. So now we'll have 2 items in our cart. So here we go. And if we go here to our shopping cart, you'll see that you can look at your cart and you can actually place an order. Now I have tested this with my PayPal account. Right now it's my PayPal account that's hooked into here. All I need from you is your PayPal account details as far as what email address is attached to your PayPal account, and I can connect your website once I move it to your domain to your PayPal. So people can place orders and instantly it will be transferred into your account. Now also keep in mind that if you don't want to have people to be able to order on your website, there is an option on your website that I've set up that allows you to turn this into simply an inquiry form. So instead of add to cart, it'll say here, click here to inquire about this item. And if somebody wants this item, they can just click that button, fill out a form saying I'm interested in this item, and you'll get that email. So if you don't want people to actually be able to order and pay online, you can turn this kind of into just a catalog where they view the products and then inquire about purchasing them and maybe coming in and looking at them. But I did set up the full shopping cart feature so people can order on your website. So if we go back here to the shopping cart, you'll notice you have your totals. If somebody has a coupon, they can put in that coupon code, and basically what that is you can set up coupons to give a certain percentage or dollar amount off orders or products, separate products, and when people put in that code, they'll get a discount. So it's very neat, and you can create coupon codes easily through the management area of your website. And again, I will prepare tutorials for you on how that works. It's very, very easy. So once you review your order, you'll see your shipping. We have free shipping. Now you have different shipping options. You have free shipping, flat fee shipping, which is a flat dollar amount per order, or shipping based by weight, or shipping based by amount spent. So for example, somebody spends $500 or more, they get free shipping. You can manage these shipping options very easily. So right now I just have free shipping. And once you review your order, you can simply proceed to checkout. Now I'm going to walk you through the checkout process just so you'll see that everything works. Now if you're a returning customer, you can just log in and all of your information will automatically fill in here. So that's something I've made that makes it easier for the customers that want to come back and reorder, returning customers. Let's go ahead and just do a quick test order here, just so I can show you how everything works. So you just fill in this information. So we'll just go and we'll do and then you can put in a password. So basically the customer fills out their information here. They have their total, all major credit, debit cards accepted. So once you do that, simply click proceed and you will be taken to the payment page. So you can see that the website is completely ready to go. It's ready to accept orders. All I need from you is your PayPal details so I can plug that in, and you can see that here you go. People can go ahead and make an order. They can pay with any debit or credit card, so they don't have to be a PayPal member. It's just like eBay or Amazon. They use PayPal as well, so you can even order with just any debit credit card if your customers want. So let's go ahead and cancel that. So you can see the website is ready to go. Everything is ready to take orders. Now there is a back panel, a management area where you manage everything on your website, and I've already set that up, so that's ready to go as well. And you can see that here, this is where you log in to change all of the content on your website. So anytime that you want to change any content, any wording, any of the products, if you want to add pages to your website, if you want to add additional categories and products, you do that by logging in with a username and password, and you can manage every area of your website very, very easily. And again, I will provide tutorials on how that works, just like I do for every customer. So all you have to do is watch those video tutorials and you'll very easily be able to manage your new website. Now again, Mo, please remember to review all of your websites. We have version 2. This is version 2. And we have version 3. Now version 3 is very much like version 1, except that the top and bottom areas, the header and the footer, is white, whereas you see here this one is black, and it's a wide layout. You see it goes from left to right, whereas version 1 has a slight gap. So just minor difference. And then version 2 is a little bit more different. It's a narrower look, more concise, more clean, and it has a different background. All three work exactly the same. The only difference is the layout. I just want you to decide which one you like best. I like all three of them, but of course I'm partial because I made all three of them. So thank you for your patience, Mo. I hope that you're happy with your website. Please review which one you like. Let me know which one you decide you want to keep, and then I'll need your information for your domain and hosting so I can move the website over and hand you over the keys so you can start using your new website right away. Moving the website is very quick. As soon as you give me your information to your hosting account, I can have it moved over within a day or less. Thank you again so much, Mo, and I look forward to your feedback on your new website.